And welcome back to Bath Time with Barsad. Today we have Mr. John Barsad. How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm great. Let's jump right in. Describe your relationship with Miss Pross.
Miss Pross is my sister. After our childhood, we had some issues with each other, and I abandoned her. We did not speak for a very long time. Therefore, she was not aware of my other identity. I feel as though she is more fond of me than I am of her, but I would never have said that to her face.
Interesting. So, why did you leave Miss Pross?
I left Miss Pross because we would fight and disagree all the time when we were younger. Other than this, I knew that if I wanted to become a spy, my family would do nothing but hold me back and try to prevent me from pursuing this career.
So, explain what happened when your sister recognized you all these years later.
As soon as she laid her eyes on me in the wine shop, she immediately let out a scream. There was major confusion because she recognized me as her brother, Solomon Pross, who is a member of the French Republic. Jerry Cruncher, on the other hand, recognizes me as Jean Barsad, the English spy. I did not need any attention drawn to me, knowing that I then would need to explain myself.
Okay, so why did you become a spy?
I became a spy because this has always been my dream career from when I was a little kid. I also wanted to do something to help out in the revolution, but I did not want to have a role where I would be known. This would potentially be putting myself in danger. I also knew that the income would be profitable because there was a revolution coming and so spies would be needed.
Okay, but why did you use a fake identity?
I used a fake identity for the security of knowing that my life would be safe. I wanted to travel away from my old life of Solomon Pross and start over again. If I was going to be an English spy, I could not be walking around with a name such as Solomon.
Describe your relationship with Roger Clyde.
Roger Clyde and I are very close friends. Since we have the same profession, we always tend to have each other's backs. An example of this is when I showed up at his funeral, even though he was just faking his death.
Why did you show up at Clyde's funeral?
I showed up because I thought it would be a good diversion. This would solidify the idea that he truly had died, while at the same time increasing the authenticity of the funeral. I did not expect for there to be so much turmoil over his passing. When all of the mobs arrived, this is when I realized that I needed to flee.
So we're all wondering, what were you thinking when you agreed to help Cardin save Darnay?
When I agreed, I was thinking about how it would make more sense for me to go undercover under my fake identity rather than expose my true self to the whole country.
Alright, that's all we have. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Bath Time with Barsad.
Yeah!